You're exhausted, but no matter how much you sleep, you still feel drained. What if I told you that sleep is not the only kind of rest you need? In fact, you might be missing the exact type of rest your body and mind are begging for, without even realizing it. Most people think rest equals sleep, but that is a myth. Today, you'll discover the 7 types of rest that will completely transform your life. And by the end, you'll know exactly why your body still feels exhausted and how to fix it. 1. Physical rest. Physical rest is the most obvious, but also the most misunderstood. Imagine an athlete who trains every single day, but never lets their muscles recover. Eventually, their body breaks down. But here's the thing. Most of us are doing the same thing in our daily lives, just mentally. There are 2 types of physical rest: passive, sleep and napping, and active, stretching, massage, deep breathing. If you wake up tired even after 8 hours of sleep, your body needs more active rest. Start unwinding an hour before bed. Cut screens, dim the lights, and see how your sleep quality changes. Over 35% of adults don't get enough sleep, but even more suffer from sleep debt. 2. Mental rest. Ever laid in bed exhausted but couldn't shut your brain off? You finish work, lay in bed, and suddenly your brain is replaying every awkward conversation from the past 5 years. That's a sign you need mental rest. Our brains are like browsers with 100 tabs open. Without mental offloading, those tabs never close, leading to chronic stress. Keep a brain dump journal before bed. Write down everything on your mind. It tricks your brain into releasing those thoughts. Try scheduled mental breaks throughout the day. 90-minute work blocks, 5-minute resets. Your brain needs rest breaks just like your body does. 3. Emotional rest. Always being the one to listen, support, and hold everything together can be exhausting. Emotional rest means having spaces where it's okay to stop performing, where there's no need to filter words, suppress feelings, or carry other people's burdens. Suppressing emotions for too long can lead to burnout. Instead, expressing them, whether through conversation, journaling, or mindful reflection, allows for release. Setting boundaries is another form of emotional rest. Learning to say no, protecting energy, and creating space to recharge are essential for well-being. 4. Social rest. Some people energize, others drain. Understanding the difference is key. Social rest isn't just about being alone. It's about choosing who to spend time with. Spending time with supportive, uplifting people can be restorative, while constant exposure to draining relationships leads to emotional exhaustion. For those who feel overwhelmed by social obligations, scheduling intentional alone time without guilt can help reset energy levels. Not everyone deserves unlimited access to your energy. 5. Sensory rest. Screens, notifications, background noise. The brain is constantly bombarded with input, leading to sensory overload. The nervous system needs moments of stillness. Simple ways to practice sensory rest include reducing screen time before bed, sitting in a quiet space, or closing the eyes for a few minutes to reset the mind. Using blue light filters and muting unnecessary notifications can also reduce overstimulation. Constant sensory input increases stress hormones. Taking small moments throughout the day to step away from stimulation can create a noticeable difference in how the body and mind feel. 6. Creative rest. Feeling stuck, uninspired, or mentally drained isn't always about lack of effort. Sometimes the mind needs creative rest. Creative rest isn't about stopping work. It's about stepping away to let inspiration flow naturally. This can look like taking a walk in nature, listening to music, engaging with art, or simply giving the mind permission to wander. When the brain isn't constantly forced to produce, it has room to make new connections. stepping away can be the key to finding clarity and fresh ideas. 7. Spiritual rest. Spiritual rest is the deep sense of connection that comes from something bigger than the daily routine. It's about meaning, purpose, and inner peace. This can take many forms: meditation, prayer, spending time in nature, or reflecting on what truly matters. Even a few moments of stillness, gratitude, or deep reflection can create a powerful shift. True rest comes from within. Now you know why sleep alone isn't enough. So, which type of rest do you need most? Drop a comment below with the one that resonated with you. If you found this helpful, there's more to come. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss future videos.